Today's date is February 21st, 2021, and I just made some pretty big changes to the balance sheet and the statements worksheet to uh, zero in on an issue that was related to finding errors with dates. So what I've got is I've got Jane Doe Acupuncture's account here, and I've removed all of her existing files. I'm going to go ahead and start over again with her files. And what I'm going to do is just shoot a video of me downloading the new file and then reconnecting it and making some copies of it without really much or any dialogue. So the only thing I will do is I'm going to keep my Google Sheets Google Script project here. So I'm not going to download that, but I'll just reconnect that. Okay. So here's what the download process looks like if I'm just sitting here by myself trying to get a job done. Oops. Support box 5, bookkeeping, stable copy. Okay. File, make a copy. Wait till that folder comes up right here. Okay, there's the folder. It should be my drive. And there it is right there. Okay, I've got the file downloaded. Now what am I going to do? Let's see. So what I'll do now is I'll go to the BK Demo Data Guide, because just like you guys, I can't remember exactly what I'm supposed to do here. So I've downloaded, let me get the visual opened up here. I've downloaded that. I already have that on my machine. I've already renamed that. So the next thing I need to do is connect it and authorize it. So to connect it, we go to this. Now this thing already has a revision, manage versions, or a version rather. So I don't need to create the version. Script ID. Oops. I'll open back up the stable copy. Tools, script editor. I don't think it'll fire. I think I clicked it too early. Yep. Resources, libraries. I'll get rid of that one. That's the old one. Okay. Okay, if that's done, now my next job, I've just connected it here. So next thing I do is authorize the connection. To authorize, I'll trigger something that calls script. There we go. Uh-oh, it might call my phone here. Let's see. Okay, it's running if it flashes. Okay, it's connected. All right, so now I've got my full copy. Now I can rename it. And I'm going to says rename your company name. All right. Whoops, over here. Oops. That seems a little bit backwards. Connected it, make your file copy, then rename it, okay? So I'll rename it just follow the directions. Okay, there's that. Now what's it say to do? Make a copy and authorize with the date. Okay, make another copy. And we're going to do that with a date code 2021-02-21. Original. Okay, that's fine. And according to this, I should open it up and authorize that. Let it load. Okay, that's good. All right, back to this. Now I'm going to take this one again, make another copy. So I've got my working copy that I'll end up gutting, and I've got this original. And this is my demo data one. Just because 2021, 02-21. Okay, I should have kept these kind of like the same naming system, whatever I pick. All right, I like that better. And then let's see where I was on the demo data. I need to open it up and authorize it. Don't need that. Don't need that. Whoops, I don't need to do that. All I need to do is click on refresh. Once I made that connection in that very first file, the connection stays every time you make the copies. You just don't, the authorization just doesn't carry through. All right. So what I've done here is I've followed my instructions, and I've gone and made my company name. I've made my original file, and I've made my demo data file. So the only thing I have left would be my blank file. And that wraps it up. So I've gotten the first part of the download process complete.